In this hyper-realistic photograph, inspired by the photography styles of Tangsin Yun Sandara, Reddit, and digital photographs, we are immersed in the beauty of a tropical paradise. A stunning woman with smooth skin, radiant hair, and a warm smile becomes the captivating focal point, while the magical ambiance is enhanced by the presence of butterflies, flowers, and fireflies. Meticulously lit using butterfly lighting and beautiful UHD lighting techniques, the image showcases remarkable details and an overall aesthetic that is truly extraordinary. The backdrop of the photograph unveils a picturesque saltwater mountain lake embraced by crystal clear water, pristine white sand beaches, and swaying palm trees. The incorporation of night colors introduces an enchanting atmosphere with mesmerizing orange lights and stars, further contributing to the captivating composition. Ultra-realistic features and intricate textures heighten the level of detail and realism in the image, testifying to the exceptional skill of photographers Anya Taylor-Joy, Jingna Zhang, and Jiyun Che in capturing the essence of the woman's character and beauty. To ensure the highest visual quality, the photograph is rendered in stunning 4K resolution, enabling every detail to be razor-sharp and vivid. Advanced AI photograph generation and deep learning algorithms are leveraged to enhance the realism further, resulting in an extraordinary masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of visual representation. The camera setup employed to capture this microphotograph encompasses a top-of-the-line professional DSLR camera mounted on a stable tripod. Equipped with a high-resolution full-frame sensor, this camera is capable of capturing even the finest details with exceptional clarity and accuracy. To achieve the desired hyper-realistic effect, a macro lens inspired by the works of Tangsin Yun Sandara, Reddit, and digital photographs, featuring a focal length in the range of 100-150 mm utilized. This lens enables extreme close-up shots while maintaining excellent sharpness and minimizing distortion, preserving the integrity of the captured image. In order to enhance image quality and accurately reproduce the vibrant colors of the tropical paradise, a combination of natural and artificial lighting techniques is employed. The application of butterfly lighting, drawing inspiration from professional studio setups, creates soft and flattering illumination on the subject's face. Additionally, beautiful UHD lighting techniques are employed to optimize exposure and contrast throughout the scene, elevating the overall lighting aesthetic. Post-processing techniques play a crucial role in bringing out the intricate details and refining the visual representation. Real-time rendering utilizing cutting-edge imaging technologies is applied, including realistic ray tracing, global illumination, and quantum wave tracing techniques. These advanced methods simulate the lighting and ambiance of the tropical paradise, further enhancing the hyper-realistic effect and blurring the line between fantasy and reality. Now let us delve into a detailed description of the medical procedures required for humans to thrive and serve in the described tropical environment. Adaptation to the tropical climate, genetic modifications. Humans undergo targeted genetic engineering to enhance their ability to adapt to the tropical climate. This involves modifying genes responsible for thermoregulation, sweat production, and heat tolerance, ensuring optimal body temperature regulation in hot and humid conditions. Enhanced sweat glands. The sweat glands are modified to increase perspiration and improve cooling efficiency in the tropical climate, allowing for better temperature regulation. Advanced circulatory system. Humans require an enhanced circulatory system to efficiently distribute oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, supporting increased metabolic demands in the tropical environment. Coexistence with plant and tree monsters. Cybernetic implants. Surgical procedures are undertaken to integrate cybernetic implants that facilitate communication and interaction with the plant and tree monsters. These implants establish neural connections and sensory interfaces, enabling effective communication and mutual understanding. Neural interface. A neural interface is surgically implanted to establish a direct connection between the human nervous system and the neural network of the plant and tree monsters. This interface allows for the exchange of information, sensations, and emotions, promoting harmonious coexistence. Biomechanical enhancements. Humans receive biomechanical enhancements, such as flexible and durable exoskeletons, to protect against physical harm and facilitate physical interactions with the plant and tree monsters.